Hello and welcome to this episode of Agentic AI. Today we will learn how we can create our own agent skills and use it across Claude, Copilot, or anti-gravity. So, what are agent skills? Agent skills are open format for extending agent capabilities with specialized knowledge and workflows. So remember, agent skills are open format and hence it can be used across multiple AI agents. It is used to extend the capabilities of an AI agent. So if you are using an AI agent and you want to extend the capability, you will create an agent skill. Agent skills are on-demand bundles. An agent skill contains instructions, scripts, and assets and used for instant loading. Being universal and open format, you can use agent skill across multiple AI agents. So if you are learning Claude code, you should learn agent skill as well. If you are learning GitHub Copilot, you should learn agent skill as well. If you are learning anti-gravity, you should learn agent skill as well. If you are learning cursor, you should learn agent skill as well. Once an agent skill is created, it can be used across multiple AI agents. The context bloat problem means when you have too much of data, system prompts, and conversation history, it leads to excessive token usage and efficiency loss. It leads to performance decay, hallucinations, and degraded performance. Agent skill solves the problem of context bloating through progressive disclosure. Instead of loading everything into the memory, initially it only loads name and description of each agent skill. This is called as discovery phase. This description helps LLM understand what is the purpose of a given agent skill. After the prompt is analyzed, LLM understands and decides activation. And during activation phase only, body part, assets, scripts, etc. are loaded into the memory and then skills are executed. So if you have 10 agent skills, initially only name and description of those 10 agent skills will get loaded into the memory. Once the prompt is executed, then AI agent decides what agent skill is to be executed, and then that given agent skill is activated, thereby loading its body, scripts, assets, etc. into the memory, and then agent skill is executed. So this keeps the overall context lean and efficient. Creating a skill is simple and straightforward. All that you have to do is to create a folder .agent/skills in your workspace, and inside that skills folder you will create another folder with the name of that of your skill. If I am creating my awesome skill as the skill, I have to create a folder with this given name, and inside that folder I have to create a skill.md file containing name, description, body, and optionally script execution part. Let's see some examples. The first example is gender finder skill. So I have created a folder with the name gender finder, and inside that folder I have created skill.md file. Note that this folder is created inside .agents/skills folder. The name of skill is gender finder, which matches the name of folder. Description: find the gender of a name. And the logic is to execute an api.genderize.io with the name as parameter. It will return the count it has used, the name, the gender it is returning, and the probability, which is 82% here. The logic is to execute this API and then apply the following logic. If gender is male and probability is more than 50%, then it is male. If gender is male and probability is less than or equal to 50%, it is female. If gender is female and probability is more than 50%, it is female. If gender is female and probability is less than or equal to 50%, it is male. So when AI agent decides that this skill is to be invoked, it will use this bash script, it will execute this bash script, will get the result in this format and will print the output. So it has got name, it has got description, it has got body with a bash script for execution. Once the output is generated, it applies the following logic. Note that the logic is given in plain English. So instead of writing logic programmatically, you now have liberty to write logic in plain English. Let's run it. So I am using Copilot for this example. It is asking if I trust this folder. I said yes. And then I am asking some question. We have to wait. It has identified that this skill is to be executed. It is asking for permission. I said yes. Yes. Now let's see another example. It is car sales finder skill. And this time we are making use of Python script instead of bash script. Let's understand it one by one. So we have a CSV file, car sales.csv, containing year, month, and sales. For 2026 January, we have 20 sales. For 2026 March, we have 9 sales, and so on. We have a Python script, car sales lookup.py. At the top, we have specified the dependency using PEP 723 syntax. So PEP 723 defines a standard format for inline script metadata. Understand the syntax. Here we are saying that if you want to execute this script, you have to install this dependency pandas first. We have a method get car sales. The input is year and month, and it is trying to locate sales for a given year and month and return its sales. In the main program, we are making sure that we have year and month as the arguments passed when the script is invoked, and then we have some validation. So for example, if you are missing year or month, it will generate appropriate message. Once year and month are extracted, we have invoked this function get car sales and printing its value. In skill.md file, which is car sales finder, the instruction is to find the number of cars being sold in a given year and month. In instructions, we have told that you have to execute the following script so as to find the number of cars being sold in a given month and year. We have given its usage, specifying that you have to pass month and year. We have also given a suitable example. So note that we are telling the script to be used, the format in which script has to be used, and then some suitable examples. The workflow is to run this script using Python and then print the output. Let's run it. We will run it using anti-gravity. You can use Claude as well. So let's launch. Signing in, we have to wait. The question. It is asking for permissions. I said yes. And then we have the output. For March 2026, it is 9. It is also telling us how this operation is being performed. SKILL.md file is consulted, CSV file is consulted, and then script is executed using year and month. And finally, we have the result. Thank you for watching this video. The GitHub repository of this tutorial is given in the description box. You can clone the repository and run it. You can refer to readme.md file for more information. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel 10x Roadmap. Thank you.